Happy birthday, Rimpy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rimpy, happy birthday. Happy B-day, Rimpy, happy, happy B-day.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रिम्पे, कैसे हो? हाँ, तो और बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। 40 साल हो गए तेरी उसके। हाँ।
Hello Rimpy, happy 40th birthday to you. Now you will become more naughty because you are turning 40. Naughty at 40. वैसे तो you are very naughty. You are the naughtiest member of our family. Still you will become more naughty. Happiest 40 birthday. Enjoy your birthday with lot of cheers. वैसे तो कल Tuesday है, so let's do a virtual cheers on weekend. We will invite Big B also for the party, virtual party. So have fun today. Have lot of fun. Enjoy it with Shivi, Man, and Bhajai. We will call you and do a video call with you, do the cake cutting with you, have lot of fun. Now it come to memories. अब मेरे पास तो इतनी सारी memories हैं कि I can't share with you. So few funniest memories which I can share is कि whenever you visit India, और इतना बोलता है कि हम दोनों भाई सो ही जाते हैं रात को. That is one of the funniest thing I still remember. Other funniest thing which I remember still is जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था और तूने खीर रख दी थी मेरे पास और उसमें मैंने सुसु कर दिया था और तूने वो खीर खा भी ली थी. So these are the two funniest memories I still remember. I have also other memories. Other things about you is you can motivate a person very easily. You are a good motivator. Other thing
भड़का भी सकते हैं बहुत अच्छे से.
और गुस्सा दिलाने में भी ये सबसे आगे है, वो अलग बात है. चलो आज अच्छी बातें की जाए. आज बुरी बातें नहीं करनी है. हाँ, तो that's it from my side. As video is becoming bigger and bigger, now it's Tanu's turn.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, आपको बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. अपना ये 40th ईयर बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय करना.
लॉकडाउन में naughty at 40.
Naughty at 40.
More naughty at 40.
दिस इज अ वार्निंग फॉर यू. देख लीजिए भैया कितना नॉटी होते हैं, हमें भी आइडिया नहीं है. मैं मेमोरीज कुछ शेयर करती हूँ. पहली बार मुझे याद आ रहा है भैया का सबसे फनीएस्ट इंसिडेंट. जब भैया पहली बार मुझे जो मेमोरी याद आती है, भैया मेरी शादी के बाद भैया ने सबसे पहले मेरे से पूछा था, तनु अपनी मेकअप किट में क्या क्या लाई हो, कौन कौन से ब्रांड हैं. सब भैया ने मेरा मेकअप किट खोल के देखा था. सब लिपस्टिक से लेके नेल पेंट सब देखे थे. तो भैया की ये सबसे अच्छी बात है, वो किसी भी टॉपिक पे बात कर सकते हैं, उनको सब इन्फॉर्मेशन है. और मम्मी के तो वो एज यूजुअल सबसे राजदुलारे बेटे हैं. मम्मी हमेशा आपकी तारीफ करती है. इनफैक्ट मम्मी ने किसी भी रिश्तेदार से बात करो, वो हमेशा आपके बारे में अच्छा ही बोलते हैं कि रिम्पी भैया बहुत बहुत फनी है, सबको हंसाते रहते हैं. एंजॉय करिए अपना डे. हैव अ फन डे.
बाय. चीयर्स.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Tao. Happy birthday dear Tao. Happy birthday dear Tao. May God bless you. May God bless you. Enjoy on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. May you live long.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, क्या हाल है? ठीक हो? भगवान आपकी लंबी करे, ड्यूटी आपकी कायम रहे।
Happy birthday, Sandu Saab.
Wish you very happy birthday, Jiju.
Wishing you many more candles to blow.
Have a blast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Rimpi.
Hello Rimpi Bhaiya, how are you?
Hello Rimpi भैया. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. कैसे हो बेटे? आपको मम्मी जब भी आती थी फरीदाबाद हमेशा तारीफ करती थी आपकी मम्मी के रिम्पी बहुत मेहनत करता है, एक एक दो दो बजे तक पढ़ता रहता है। फिर मम्मी की उस बात को आपने चरितार्थ कर दिया, फरीदाबाद आके जिया जी सराय में सारी सुख सुविधाओं को छोड़कर वहां की संकरी गलियों छोटे से मकान में मेहनत करके, तो साथ ही आपने ये भी सिद्ध कर दिया कि देयर इज नो सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर हार्ड वर्क। और आई विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस इन लाइफ, कीप स्माइलिंग, एंजॉय द डे।
Hello Bhaiya, we thought we will make a small video for you, all of us together in one video, our full family here. I have several incidents, some of which I can't share here over the video. We can discuss it personally, and some of which I will share. One of the incident which I still remember during my engineering days, when I got some backs in some papers, we were interacting over phone. I was in Greater Noida, standing in the balcony, and you told, इंजीनियरिंग है भाई, बैक नहीं आया तो इंजीनियरिंग कैसे पूरी हुई? जब तक बैक नहीं आ रहा इंजीनियरिंग पूरी नहीं हुई, तो बैक लाओ और इंजीनियरिंग करते रहो। बस लास्ट ईयर में मतलब ना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा होता है। आई फॉलोड इट, completed engineering with so many backs, but I completed it finally. Another incident I remember you telling me before I was going for engineering, what happens in Kurukshetra in hostel. Oh man, those are the scary things which I can't discuss it here in front of anyone, but I still remember. Another compliment for you I have is how funny you are, just like me, how sarcastic you are. Just like you, I do all the household work. Just like you, and Namita is also agreeing to that. Yes, I do that. Just like you were agreeing in our last interaction. We keep on interacting over phone. That's the fun part. We keep on having our one-on-one personal conversations. That's fun. That makes me laugh. But I still miss those days when you were here. We could have had few rounds of drink together. I started drinking. My 6 months are over. So whenever you're back in India, we'll have few rounds of beer. On your birthday, you can have 1 or 2 tequila shot on my behalf so that you have more fun than you should have. And please do share it with the family. Kanika bhabhi ko bhi pilayega aap so that everyone enjoys the day. Happy birthday.
Hello Rimpi भैया. I got to know you more in our last conferencing interaction. I found you so friendly and jovial person. Your company is amazing for all of us. Keep smiling. See you soon. हमारे घर पे जरूर आना जब भी आप बैंगलोर आओगे. And enjoy your day. Take care.
And before we end, matlab, yes, we are all wearing green. It's no coincidence. We have ensured we are wearing green. We are a green family. And before we end, we'd like to say, let's get this party started with Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Have fun! Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Dear Rimpi, hi, how are you? Wishing you a super fantabulous birthday and a blessed life ahead. And कब तू इंडिया आ रहा है? We are missing you and we are missing the fun that we had together last time in BBM. So जल्दी से आजा, we'll have masti time together. Wow.
Hi Rimpi, happy birthday. It's me who is making video.
Happy birthday.
Hi Rimpi, I wish you a very happy birthday and welcome to 40s. You are in our company now and we look forward to spending more and more years of happiness with you. You are very, very special. Thank you Kanika for giving us this opportunity to make this video. Rimpi, I will tell you, एक एक चीज तेरी याद है मुझे. तेरा SST पढ़ना मेरे फेस को देखते 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 रट्टू तोता and then your cooker Banta, you're dressing up like a girl, you're taking care of Varun and making fun of my Rali Mili Dal in Hisar. I miss every moment which I've spent with you. I cherish, actually, not miss exactly, but I cherish every moment. You are very special and I can bank upon you. That's the most important thing, and thank you for coming on Saurabh's wedding on my request. That's one big thank you from my side, and keep telling your kids more about us so that they know that they have an extended family, which is us, their buas. Lots of love to them and stay connected. As always, stay the way you are. Happy birthday, and I love you a lot. I wish I have more words to say, but I think I'll finish it here because Kanika will have ample videos to club and put my words also.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rimpi Mama. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rimpi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Keep telling jokes and keep laughing. Happy birthday, welcome to 40s.
Happy birthday Rimpi. Stay blessed always. हमेशा खुश रहो, सफल हो जिंदगी में और खूब हंसो, खूब हंसाओ सब.
Happy birthday Mama.
Hello Tarun ji, happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday तरुण जी, क्या हाल चाल?
अरे आपको कहना था कि the best memory that at least I have of you is that Charleston trip. वो तो love में लीन आपने जो किया था, and our Bermuda Triangle discussion, वो मैं अभी भी याद करती तो बहुत हंसी आती है. So you rock, your sense of humor rocks.
No, that is just one of the incidents. I can still remember आपका न्यू ईयर काउंटडाउन में रात को 12 बजे जगजीत सिंह के गजल्स लगाना, सब लोग डांस फ्लोर पे थे और आप जगजीत सिंह लेके बैठे हुए थे. So that is something which I remember and it was very funny. So hopefully next New Year या कभी New Year फिर से बनाएंगे साथ में. Okay, take care.
Happy birthday again. Many happy returns. Bye.
Happy birthday Tarun.
Happy birthday Tarun.
क्या बड़े साहब 40 साल के हो गए हो? Not yet 40?
Na, oldie at 40.
Hope you have a good one.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Happy birthday Tarun uncle. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy. Hi Tarun uncle. Happy birthday. This song is for you.
Hey Tarun, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Tarun uncle. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Long life.
Happy birthday.
wish you a very happy birthday. We spent a lot of good time with you, good memories. Thank you.
Hey, hi Tarun. Hi Kanika. Wish you a very very happy birthday, Tarun. Turning to be young again. और इनफ नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो बहुत एंजॉय करना है, मस्त है. आई होप हम लोग जब ये सब क्रेजीनेस खत्म हो जाए तो वी ऑल मीट टुगेदर एज अ फैमिली अगेन, और फिर से कभी कैंपिंग में या फिर यू गाइस कैन कम ओवर एंड वी
प्लान अ ट्रिप टू टेक्सास. शिव भाई को देखें हम लोग और फिर से बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करें.
So once again, wish you
a very happy birthday
on this special day. Best of luck, guys.
Bye.
हेलो तरुण, हाउ आर यू? हम सबकी तरफ से तुम्हें जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. गॉड ब्लेस यू. यू स्टे हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी ऑल द टाइम. सो यू नो राइट, इन मराठी तरुण का मतलब होता है यंग एंड जिंदा दिल पर्सन. सो यू आर. जब 2010 में जो तरुण मुझे मिला था इन शार्लट, एंड 2020 में जो तरुण मुझे मिला था इन कैलिफोर्निया, कुछ बदला नहीं. वही हंसी, वही एंथुजियास्टिक, वही वॉइस. वेयर मैं सोनाली को वही बोल रहा था कि देखो तरुण 10 साल हो गए, कुछ नहीं बदला. सो दैट मीन्स द नेम काफ़ी जस्ता है तुम्हें, तरुण, यंग एंड डायनामिक पर्सन. सो लीव इट लाइक दैट. ऑलवेज बी यू नो तरुण इन, if I say in terms of Marathi, always be Tarun, young and dynamic. Okay, so you are. So we are very happy like you are our family friends, and we'll be always in touch. तो अभी बात निकली तो बता देता हूँ. I still remember your dedication and ownership. जब साइबर कैफ़े में जाके हमारे लिए डेटा लोड किया था, तो अभी भी I quote that example to the people who work with me. Yes, this is an example of dedication and devotion. So keep it up. Okay, so once again a very happy birthday and enjoy your day and time.
Happy birthday Tarun uncle.
Happy 40th birthday Tarun. मुझे तो लगा था आपका बर्थडे निकल चुका है. 40th कब का? नहीं? अच्छा, चलो मान लेते हैं अभी आप 40 के हो.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhatia ji.
So the life start after 40.
Because Bhatia is gonna turn naughty.
Oh really? Enjoy your birthday, Bhatia ji.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
रिम्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
रिम्पी, 40वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. मैसेज तो कुछ दूंगा नहीं, बस एंजॉय करता रहे लाइफ, और जैसे ही कोरोना खुलेगा सबसे पहले हम मिलेंगे फॉल्ट लाइन पर.
Happy birthday, Rimpy uncle.
एंजॉय.
Hey Tarun, wish you a very very happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday actually. We could not meet this time due to this pandemic, but ये treat तो due रहा sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Tarun. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Tarun, happy birthday.
Hey Tarun, happy birthday.
Yeah man, life starts at 40. Chalo, very happy birthday Tarun. Have a blast. Bye bye.
Hi Tarun, how are you? Wish you a very very happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your birthday, during this COVID period.
Hey Tarun, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you guys are having a great time. And enjoy your day.
You know what? Actually, few days back, Kanika pinged me and told me that we have to shoot a video for your birthday. And instantly, all those thoughts started coming in my mind. Actually, when I was in Polycom, I have spent a lot of time with you guys. Right? It was a great fun working with you and spending time with you. You're such a fun-loving person, and we used to have long chit chats, right, during our even working hours, because we used to sit together, and then we after our lunch, right, we used to go for long walks, and we used to discuss so many topics, right, during even we have discussed about the expensive cars like BMW,
Porsche and what not actually.
Hopefully, Tarun, hopefully you will take us for a ride in your Porsche. So please ping us and we'll come over as soon as COVID is over.
Yeah, right. And once again, many happy returns of the day, and enjoy your birthday. And I miss you guys, and I hope we will, once this COVID is over, so we'll get to meet you guys.
Okay, guys, enjoy your day, Tarun, and let's meet soon when COVID is over.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Ready. Happy birthday, Rimpy. बोलो.
Happy birthday, Rimpy बेटा. चलो.
Happy birthday, Rimpy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Rimpy. Stay blessed.